so mad at Tesla. Oh, my God. I got shaken out at 800 May 27th, Tesla. Current price, $9.49, 2 weeks later. What's his trade?
He bought through 860. His original stop was verse 815, and then as it started to break out of that little mini flag, he moved his stop up to break even.
That's sick. Yeah. I mean, this is just a momentum stock. Once this name gets going, it's like, look out. So, he played it right. Oh, he bought that 860. Wow. So, all right. So, this is Monday he bought, where it was like I got shaken out that week prior. And I was like, man, I don't want to buy this. It was gapping up like $30 at that point. I know it doesn't look like much on a chart. And he bought that gap. That's impressive.
Yeah.
And then, sold him straight today.
I'm pretty sure he had a 840 buy stop, and then it just triggered off the open. And that's pretty much how he got filled.
Yeah, that's maybe something we got to work on there. But glad he made money.
When you're lucky, sometimes it works out.
Hey, buy stop limits off the open. Buy stop limits so that if it gaps up like crazy, $30, they're not all going to work out like this. Do a buy stop limit 840 to 845.